You cooking?
Look at the Dino Bites. Oh, you.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I am Brian, and I am here today with Chef Lana Bear, and we have a very fun video for you here in Lana Bear's kitchen. Today, we have a drop from Dan Matsuda, and if you don't know who Dan Matsuda is, I would recommend checking out this other video I have on my channel from a Carryology Secret Santa. Dan Matsuda makes incredible design articles, backpacks, pouches, patches, but he is also genuinely an amazing dude. So today we have a really fun one from him in this package right here. And let's get it open so that Lana Bear has something to do. You ready, sweetheart? Are you ready? You ready? What's in this? Oh my gosh! Dino Bites nuggets made with 100% real dinosaurs. Are you ready, sweetheart? Are you ready for this? Super cute. What do we have? Oh my gosh, look at this. What kind of dinosaur is that? I actually don't know my dinosaurs, so I'm gonna have to look at what these are. Stegosauruses, Brontosaurus. Super cute. And of course, you have to figure out how they taste, right, Lana Bear? But we haven't cooked them yet. Do you want to cook them? Here, let's fire them up, get them on the stove, huh? What do you think? Cook them one at a time? Is that okay? Yeah? What do you think? Let's get these guys on the stove. Fire it up, high heat. There we go. All right. Which one? Pick one. This one? Okay, let's cook the other one too then, huh? Let's try preparing them a couple different ways. All right, so these are just super fun, super cute. If you have a kid, these should be right up your alley. They are Velcro backed with a silencer basically on the back in case you want to play with them without actually having the loop field open. And when I saw these, I knew I just had to get a full set for Lana because these are going to be super fun. And actually, I only have one backpack with a loop field large enough to support all three, and that is the GWA Radioactive that I just got. So let me go grab that bag and we can see what they look like all together. All right, sweetheart. I think they're well and cooked. Good. What do you think? Shall we check them out? So there's a Stegosaurus, a Brontosaurus, and a T-Rex. And let's try putting them all together. I think this one's done, sweetheart. I think this one's done too. There you go. This is the T-Rex. What do you think? The T-Rex should be on one side chasing the other ones, huh? You want to try putting it on? Here, hold that. There we go. Now put it on here. Oh. All right. Not working, not working. How about right there? Does that look okay? What do you think? Right there? Yeah, it's fun, huh? All right, let's get the other ones on. What do you think? They're all facing the same way. Oops. All right, let's try. What do you think, Lana Bear? This one right here? Is that okay? Fun, yeah? Okay, so we got two. And now, let's get the last one on. Yeah, so fun. Okay, here we go. You want to put it on? Here. Go ahead, slap it right on next to the other ones. Oh, let's get this out of your way so you have some room. Let's try this out. Okay, ready? Here we go. Go ahead, take that. And then put it right here. Oh, no, not there, not there, not there, not there. Right here, right here. And try to put it right, oh, right here. Set it right there. Yeah? Oh. Where did it go? Oh, you still have it. It's stuck to your jacket. Oh no. Hold on. Okay. Oh. Oh, right here, right here. Oh, I think you're bored. Okay, here, look. Now all three are together. It's done. What do you think? Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool? Yeah? Boom. Just some details about these. These were $9 each. They didn't quite fit in with Dan's main line of stuff, so he actually created a mini pop-up shop for these. And that actually explains why this right here is a little bit different from his typical sample packaging style. Overall, this is super cute, super fun. Thank you, Dan, for doing this. I love having these on my pack, and I think Lana is gonna really enjoy playing with them as well. That's all we've got. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the next one soon. All right, let's get these fired up. Wow, sweetheart, nice job. Look at that. Yeah, cooking those Dino Bites.